Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Zoom on your computer. Whether you're switching accounts, sharing your device with someone else, or simply want to ensure your privacy, knowing how to properly sign out is essential. Let's walk through this quick process together. First, you'll need to open the Zoom app on your computer. You can do this by locating the Zoom icon either on your desktop in your Applications folder or by searching for it in your computer's search bar. Once you've found it, go ahead and launch the application. This will bring up the main Zoom interface where you can access all your meeting options and account settings. Now that you have the Zoom app open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your avatar profile, which is typically a small circular image that represents your account. This could be a photo you've uploaded or simply your initials displayed in a colored circle. Click directly on this avatar profile to proceed to the next step. After clicking on your avatar profile, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and settings. This menu gives you quick access to various features like checking for updates, adjusting preferences, or accessing your profile information. For our purpose today, you'll want to look through these options carefully. In this drop-down menu, locate and click on the option that says Sign Out. This is usually positioned towards the bottom of the menu to prevent accidental sign-outs. Clicking this option will immediately log you out of your Zoom account on this computer. Keep in mind that signing out won't affect any scheduled meetings you have, but you will need to sign back in the next time you want to join or host a meeting on this device. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of Zoom on your computer, ensuring your account information remains secure when you're not actively using the application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.